Let's go back to Ding Dong now, and she's continuing her tour of the Northern Territory. She's had a few animal encounters earlier. Now, about 45 minutes out of Darwin, she's found something a bit more cultural. Denise, what's happening now?
Hi everybody, I'm here at the Pudakul Aboriginal Cultural Centre, which is where they have the tours that take people around and you show them everything that is to do with Aboriginal culture. And I'm here with the traditional owner, Graham, and his wife, Lynette. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Now, Graham, do you do an acknowledgement? Because this is your traditional ground. So do you do that?
This being a traditional only, I come from a clan called Lynette and Graham. Now, Lynette and Graham is my mother and father clan.
Yes.
So for you being here, we'd like to welcome you to be on my mother country.
Now, you've had this business up and running for 12 years, did you say?
Yeah,
and originally it was just for overseas visitors, but now you've welcomed everybody to teach the kids traditional ways.
Well, Graham was the one who actually said it. He said we should start a business on country that engages our children. So keep them on country, keep them learning. He said,
and connected.
Definitely, that was definitely it. So he said if we did that, then he said they won't even know it. He said they'd be just telling their stories, and he said they won't even know that they're maintaining them.
Right.
And,
fabulous. Now this is a dilly-bag, but this is the traditional dilly-bag made out of
the fan palm. Yep. Which is this one.
Palm.
Yes. Yep.
And you're going to show me how to split that.
Yeah, I'm going to show you how to strip it.
Come on, you strip it, and then that's what that's made out of?
Yeah, most.
Goodness me.
Yeah. And what we do...
I'll hold that there.
We normally do this in the wet season because it means in the air. Because if you feel this air right now, it's not even moving, it's still, it's humid. In the wet season, there's a bit more moisture in it, and that's the best time to do this.
And so it's easier to split these.
I'll show you how to do it.
Oh,
so
sorry.
what you need to do...
Oh, I went to split it. Sorry.
Sorry,
Lynette.
Right. You're right.
So what do I do?
So roll over the tip
and
face it towards you. And so I'm keeping a nice circular shape.
Is that a nice one?
Yeah, that is. That's perfect. And what I'm going to do with my right hand is I'm going to pull, and with my left hand I'm going to push. And what my aim is, I'm going to take off the tip. So I'm going to push and pull, and I'm going to take off the tip.
Hang on, I'm going to...
So you need to do that.
And I need to end up with that?
Yes. But if you get the tip in your hand, then you've done it right.
No, I haven't got the tip.
Let me show you again. Keep
that
nice circular shape. Like that.
Yep.
And then pull with your right, but do it opposite to what I'm saying, and push with your left. So you pull with your left and push with your right. Okay, so go slide over.
I can't. Oh,
almost.
Nearly. Would
Almost.
that be right? Hang on. Can I just cheat and go like that?
No, you can't, because you want to expose these fibres. So we need to give it a flick.
No. We're going to have to go on to the didgeridoo, I think, and leave the basket weaving to the professionals.
The idea is to then pull it
off.
off.
Wow.
Yes, you want to be able to pull those fibres
and they're
off.
so beautiful. If you've never seen any of the Aboriginal work, I've been lucky enough to see it from different parts of Australia. It is so beautifully done.
It
really.
is.
It is. It's fantastic.
And it's hard to imagine that, you know, something so fine as this can become something so strong as this, that you can make big fish nets out of it, and you can fish the river. So anything in that billabong, if I wanted to catch one of the crocodiles that we have in that water, they won't get away from this. From this little fine string, we can turn it into something so strong that we can go in there and pull out that crocodile if we want him.
Oh, a crocodile. Oh, yeah. Now listen, Graham, come in, because you're going to do the didgeridoo for us.
Okay, yep. Just gonna with the didgeridoo. Didgeridoo is one of...
What sort of wood is that?
It's actually a stringy bark, this one.
Stringy bark.
But here in the top end, in this region being a wetland region, we have woolly bark and stringy bark. So most of Aboriginal people, we actually play the actual woolly bark, but just having two of them, so whatever you got there, it'll actually make the sound.
Okay, well off you go. I want to know what it sounds like.
Thank you, Denise. Pudakul Aboriginal Cultural Tours is Aboriginal owned and operated, with the majority of their tours taking place from the Adelaide River. on Aboriginal owned and managed lands. For more information, you can head to pudakul.com.au. And this whole week, Denise will be travelling to the Northern Territory for a holiday that is different in every sense and showing us all the amazing things the top end has to offer. For all the information you need, head to thenorthernterritory.com.au.